In the last few years, many people started taking advantage of digital products, and they used this amazing business model to create additional income streams for their personal finances or for their businesses. This is an amazing opportunity that everyone should take advantage of. In today's video, I would like to talk about 12 digital product types that will make you at least $100 a day if you put in enough work and you create an amazing shop for these products. Who wouldn't want an extra $100 a day, right? So here are 12 digital product categories that, in my opinion, will make you this amount of money or even more every day. My name is Emese from Everything Digital, and here on this channel we talk about making money online, digital products and business finance. So if you're interested in today's topic, keep on watching. In the last few weeks, I have been working on a secret project. This is very close to my heart and I can't tell you much more about it, but I can tell you that it will be life-changing for your business. It will save you a lot of time and it will give you lots of shortcuts in your digital product business. I will announce it shortly, but if you would like to be the first one who will get notified, I left a link in the description box down below. Sign up there and I will send you an email as soon as I'm ready. But for now, let's hop over to my computer screen and I will show you 12 niches where you can make $100 a day or more. And I use only Etsy for this so that you can see that in one platform all of these niches exist and everybody is making sales and there are enough clients for everyone. So let's hop over to my computer screen. So the first category would be printable planners. Here is one from my Etsy shop. It's a That Snowball planner. It has many interesting pages that people can download to their computer, print them out and fill them in by hand. This can also be used on digital devices, but this was designed with the intention of being printed. There are lots of pages included regarding of finances, how to eliminate debt. That's the theme of this bundle. Here is another one, a debt payoff tracker. People can print these and put them on their fridge or on a whiteboard and color in as they're paying off their debt. There are many kinds of printable planners on Etsy. These happen to be mine. You will find a link in the description to my Etsy shop and you can check them out. Maybe something will catch your eye. The next category is close to the printable planner category because those are digital planners. They become very popular in the last few years as we try to reduce waste and not print as much paper and use as much paper. These planners live on your iPad or on your phone and you can use an app like GoodNotes to fill them in. You can write on them with an Apple Pencil or you can type on them sometimes. Yes, but they are very versatile and they can be used for lots of purposes. These look very nice. This is another digital planner that can be customized. These are great digital products. They can be made relatively easily and fast, and so you are able to launch your digital product business much sooner. Okay, let's move on to the third category, and that would be mockups. Etsy is full of wonderful mockups, depending on what type of product you are searching for to create a mockup. And within the mockup section, there are subsections. Some people make mockups for posters and printable designs or cards, and some other people make bundles for wedding invitations, t-shirts, mugs. The options are endless with mockups. Some people convert them to Photoshop files with smart layers, where in a few clicks you can add your design, or some are just JPEG or PNG files and you can add your design to them in Canva. These are some very nice frame mockups. There is a big variety of them. Here are some cute card mockups. This is a big bundle. And also here is a cute one that I really like. This is an invitation bundle, or it's meant for weddings, wedding invitations. And they also show an example of how it would look with your design on them. Okay, the fourth category would be invitations. And here are lots of subsections as well. Invitations for children's birthday parties, invitations for christenings, invitation for graduation parties, wedding invitations, bridal showers, bachelorette parties. As many invitations as you can name, you can create templates for. The best way to customize these would be if you create a Canva template for them. Or in some cases, the sellers will customize it. You will leave your information in the customization box. They will send you a proof, and once you approve that proof, they will print it and ship it to your house if you are opting for the printed version, which is much easier because you just have to approve the design and you don't have to go and print them. This is a very cute one for a birthday party. A bridal shower one. This is a very elegant design. And they also tell you how to edit and print them by yourself at home. And this is the same design but in a bundle. It is very beneficial to create bundles out of your products. This way you can increase the cart value for your products and for your shop. The next, I believe, sixth category would be stationery. And this is mainly for businesses. I found these cute templates. This is an invoice and a letterhead template. In my opinion, they are very cute, very professional. For beauty professionals maybe, but I think this is a very professional looking design. The next product that you can make $100 a day with would be social media templates. This way people can save time and customize these with a few clicks on Canva, and they can post them right away to their Instagram. They don't have to come up with the idea, come up with the layout and concept. They can just purchase a pack of Instagram templates or maybe story templates, and they can customize it, and this way they want, well, the ultimate goal, it would be to increase the engagement on their Instagram. This is a very nice minimalist template with lots of options to customize. I would purchase something like this if I wouldn't know how to create them, but as my job and my team's job is to create products like these, we can make these ourselves, but lots of people prefer to save time and the hassle of going through other people's Instagram pages and getting inspiration. So this is a great way to create passive income with digital products on Etsy. This is another cute pack with Instagram posts, and it's showing you how to customize it as well. Yes, this is a white and black design. And here is the game changer, in my opinion, the little video that will make your design stand out from the other ones. Okay, let's move on to the next category, and that would be presentations. Lots of small businesses, and not just small, even medium and large ones, are looking for presentation templates for their clients so that they can pitch an idea, pitch a project, or summarize what they have been working on in the past few months or weeks. For these presentation templates are wonderful shortcut and saves a bunch of time, because you just have to change the images and the text, and it's all of a sudden about your project. So I found this very business looking like on Etsy. It can be edited in Canva. There are lots of slides that you can customize, and it looks very professional and very clean. And then I found this one. This is more neutral, minimal, this is closer to me, but the aesthetic of this one is very, very modern, I would say. The next digital product that you can make $100 a day with would be ebook templates or workbook templates. They can be grouped together or mentioned separately. They are templates that many bloggers and people who create content on the internet use. They can be a very good resource for creating any additional income for them, because they might have an idea, but they need to put it in a format, and an ebook would be a perfect format for this, and they can charge $5, $10, $20, $50 for these ebooks, and it's a fast way to create additional income source for their business. So I found this one that catched my eye. It looks really nice. They use amazing mockups. And by the way, if you don't know how to create mockups, Then I have 2 videos about it, you can see here and here, and I will leave the link down in the description down below, where I take you step by step on creating mockups in Canva for your digital products. Not as complicated as these ones, but they are perfect for beginners and for some people who want to zhuzh up their shops. Yes, as you can see, these have lots of options for pages, and it is an amazing template in my opinion. And then I found this one. This is a little bit more simple, but it would work and it would do the job. Let's move on. And the next digital product that I want to talk about are Lightroom presets. This is the favorite product to sell to Instagram influencers because they want to keep their feed looking very cohesive and very nice and Instagrammable, I would say, because it's for Instagram. And here is a pack of 300 Lightroom presets with many options. This way they can edit their pictures and they will look very cohesive. Here is another one. Yes, it's not just for Instagrammers but also for photographers as well, because they need to edit the photos for their clients, and depending on the light outside or inside or whenever and wherever they are shooting, they can make the images better, sharper, the saturation is better and the contrast is better. And you can do this with just 1 click instead of going through 5 or 6 clicks to fix an image. We are almost at the end of our list. Another category that I would like to talk about is clip art. This is perfect for people who like to doodle on paper or on an iPad, digitally or on paper, it doesn't matter, because it can be transformed into clip art and clip art sets. Here I found this cute one. This is a modern and abstract elements clip art set. This was created on an iPad, and this is very cute and it can be used in many other digital products as well. And then here is this hand-painted one. This was painted on a paper, then digitized, then cleaned up in Photoshop, and they created a clip art set out of it. And these are just the frames of the set. I am sure that there is an even bigger set with other elements as well. Yes, this looks really nice in my opinion. And the last digital product category that I would like to talk about are website templates. These can be Shopify, Wix, WooCommerce, WordPress. For every platform there can be a theme or a template created. So let's check out a few that I found on Etsy that catch my eye. This would be a black and white aesthetic one. It looks really professional in my opinion. And this is a Shopify theme. And the other one that I found and I liked is this one. This is also a Shopify theme for a more pinkish color scheme, for more of a feminine touch. So tell me, which of these products, in your opinion, will make the most amount of money in 1 month? Leave your answer in the comments down below. That was for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and you found lots of useful information and inspiration to start your own digital product business. Don't forget to sign up to be notified when my secret project is finally launched. I promise you it will be amazing and it will save you so much time and effort in your digital products business. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!